That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Hi, I'm Dulce, your Asia's power singing diva. From my Dulce Amor days to where I am now mentoring aspiring singers, I feel proud bringing honor to our country. At my age, I make sure I live fit and healthy with proper diet, exercise, and MX3 every day. MX3 is one of my instruments to complete the powerful rhythm and harmony of my musicality.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3, tunay, natural at original.
Tayo na sa EO. Tayo'y magpatingin. Tayo na sa EO. Sila'y eksperto at magagaling. Tayo na sa EO. Inyong mata ay mahalin. EO Executive Optical, ang practical. EO Executive Optical, ito'y practical.
For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
One of the biggest boy bands of the 90s is coming back to Manila. Concert Republic.
Mula sa number 1, Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo Smart dishwashing paste ko Pritong ulam na masebo Plato at kaldero Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN.